Conjugation of the verb to kiss in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I kiss. 2. Simple past, I kissed. 3. Simple future, I will kiss. 4. Present continuous, I am kissing. 5. Past continuous, I was kissing. 6. Future continuous, I will be kissing. 7. Present perfect, I have kissed. 8. Past perfect, I had kissed. 9. Future perfect, I will have kissed. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been kissing. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been kissing. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been kissing. Conjugation of the verb to kiss, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it kisses. 2. Simple past, he, she or it kissed. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will kiss. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is kissing. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was kissing. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be kissing. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has kissed. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had kissed. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have kissed. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been kissing. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been kissing. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been kissing. Conjugation of the verb to kiss, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they kiss. 2. Simple past, you, we or they kissed. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will kiss. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are kissing. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were kissing. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be kissing. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have kissed. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had kissed. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have kissed. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been kissing. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been kissing. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been kissing.